Tired of staring at that new Xfinity modem box wondering how to turn it into actual internet access? Well, put down the Ethernet cables, because today we're ditching the tech support call and activating your Xfinity internet straight from your phone using the Xfinity app. First, make sure you've downloaded the Xfinity app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've got it, go ahead and open it. If you're already an Xfinity customer, log in with your existing Xfinity ID and password. New to Xfinity, you'll need to create an account. After logging in, the app should automatically detect that you have a new modem waiting to be activated. If it doesn't, look for an option like Activate Your Modem or Get Started, usually found on the account overview page. Tap on it. The app will now guide you through connecting your modem. Make sure your modem is plugged into a power outlet and connected to a coaxial cable outlet in your wall. That's the round connector. Then, turn on your modem. Back in the app, follow the on-screen prompts as the app searches for your modem signal. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the app finds your modem and completes the activation process, you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations, you're connected. The app will now guide you through setting up your Wi-Fi network. You can choose to use the default network name and password or customize them for better security and memorability. Follow the prompts to connect your devices. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Xfinity internet using the app. No technician, no hassle, just pure internet enjoyment. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.